Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So yesterday on the 13th, Microsoft also made a new Notepad update available to insiders in the Canary and Dev channels on Windows 11. So quite a lot happening in those two insider channels. And I've just posted on the snipping tool draw and hold update, which I posted earlier today, and I'll leave that link down below and in the end screen. And Microsoft says that with this Notepad update, it's introducing the ability to summarize content in Notepad with the help of generative AI. So once again, Microsoft is pushing AI into every app and service of its products. And they are also adding recent files to the file menu, which they say is a highly requested feature, which will allow you to quickly reopen recently closed documents. So the first feature, as mentioned, is the summarize feature. So to get started, Microsoft says you select the text that you want to summarize in Notepad. Then you would right-click and choose Summarize. And then you would select Summarize from the Copilot menu. Or use the Control and M keyboard shortcut, and then Notepad will generate a summary of the selected text, providing a quick way to condense content. And you can also experiment with different summary lengths to refine the output according to Microsoft. And they also mention on the side note that if you prefer, you can disable AI features in app settings, which I think is a nice move. So you would just click then on the little gear icon, head to your settings, and you'll be able to turn off those AI features, which I think is a step in the right direction. But just take note, though, to use the Summarize feature, Microsoft says you need to sign in with your Microsoft personal account. Microsoft 365 Personal, Family, and Copilot Pro subscribers will be able to use AI credits to use Summarize in Notepad. So it's one of those features where obviously you need to be subscribed to Copilot Pro. And then the next is recent files. And this is actually the highly requested feature. And I must be honest, I think this is something which is actually handy in Notepad and would be handy in Notepad. So according to Microsoft, with recent files, you can now reopen your recently closed files directly within Notepad. And to access recent files, you would open Notepad and go to File, where you'll find a list of your recently used documents, and then you click on any file to instantly reopen and continue editing. And they also mention that you can also clear the recent list at any time or turn off the recent files feature in app settings. Once again, in the app settings, if you prefer not to keep a history of recently closed files. And what I really like about these two updates rolling out is the fact that Microsoft has given options to turn both of these features off in the settings, which I'm always in favor of when they give us options. But there we go. New Summarize using AI in Notepad and that new recent files feature. And like all these app updates in the Insider program, I don't see why that wouldn't roll out to stable in a future release sometime in an up and coming stable version. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.